Hello beginners, welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how to put articles properly. So before knowing articles, you have to know about vowel and consonant. Who are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. These 5 alphabets are the vowels and the rest of all alphabets are among consonants. Now, who are the articles? A and the. These 3 are articles. Now, listen and watch carefully. If a word starts with vowel A, E, I, O or U, any of it, then you will put an before it. Suppose you have ant, then you will put an ant. If you have egg, you will put an egg. If you have ice cream, you will put an. If you have orange, you will put an. If you have umbrella, here also you will put an. And if any of a word starts with a consonant, then you will put a before it. Suppose you have dash car, you will put a car. If you have dash stick, you will put a stick, and etc. Just like that.